There we go.
We're not upside down now, like your first video.
No.
Okay, so hyaluronic filler. This is the older bottle as well, by the way. Very good. Still having it.
I end up misplacing them and going through others. And
Yeah.
then I end up finding the old bottles.
I don't know if Caroline is going to critique me that I'm starting with the forehead.
No, that's exactly where I start, so well done.
Because this is the area that I always do anyway, so I don't usually do my cheeks. Let's roll. Oh yeah, just get the bad skin in there with the torch, Caroline, why don't you?
Okay, yeah, so you're doing it differently.
Incorrect, or?
A way that I'd advise against rolling.
And your reasons being?
Because you can tear the skin. So can I just show an example, and then if you want to see how quickly you can adapt to it?
Yep.
Okay. What way can we do this?
My name is Caroline Hooper, certified skin and laser specialist, and I'm also clinical director of a chain of clinics across Dublin. If you're interested in microneedling, check out the link below and get your microneedling ebook, which I've provided for you completely free. Welcome back to another tutorial, and if you're new, please subscribe.
Okay. So how I always recommend to do this is a cross and an X. Have you heard of that before, Denise?
Nope.
Okay. So when I say a cross, it means you roll up and down in a straight line, back and forward in a straight line, and then we're going to come diagonal across that centre point, back and forward like this, and then the opposite way.
Okay.
So we're doing a complete cross and a complete X, and we're completely overlapping and cross hatching this centre part all the time. And we're going to roll back and forward approximately 10 times on each section. So that means this middle piece is going to get a total of 40 rolls.
Okay.
Sounds like a lot, but you'll know your own skin, and you can tell me then if you feel okay, we can stop. So you came on this section here? No, over here, you can see the redness. Yeah, you can actually see on camera there the redness. Now you've seen Denise was rolling really, really lightly, so you don't need to be too heavy-handed, lightly roll, and once you get redness, you're at a good end point.
I don't know if this
You're not
is
looking to draw blood.
bad camera work.
Okay, if you just bring it down to your forehead now. Okay, so where I always start then is in the centre brow. And you're coming, that's about 10 times. Now we'll come over and do an X. 10 times. Now we'll come up this way. And then down this way. Okay, now that's that section complete. We then move up here. And then into the X. So this entire section now in the centre is done. We may need to do that one more time here, and then we'll have just one small section here. So we'll double, single, then we do a double and a single, and that's the entire forehead complete. After that, we'd work down the cheek area, up the mouth area, then the chin, the mouth, and onto the nose. And then we'll finish up on the right side of the face, which is your left, looking at the camera.
I had the camera there waiting for you to do it.
I'll be on my knees now in a second.
Do you want to do that section again?
Now, do you want me to do it again?
Yeah, just do that
Okay.
section one more time there.
So just to demonstrate again now here, we're just going to come above the eyebrow. So we're coming to the left. You'll actually see the redness. It doesn't take long, a couple of seconds, and it comes up. So we're now going to come above the eyebrow. Eventually you won't need to count. Your hand will just know when to stop. And then up in the next. Onto the next. And it's really quick, like you can get a full face done in less than 15 minutes. Are you feeling this?
Yeah. It's because there's no hyaluronic.
Okay, so we'll actually get another single one in here. Okay, so that's this side of the forehead's complete and the centre. Do you want to try on this side now?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm just going to pop a bit of hyaluronic onto where you need it, because I can feel it.
And see, as Denise is rubbing this in here, when you're applying your hyaluronic filler onto the next section that you're about to treat, bring the remaining residue. Here's a little teddy biting on nipple like Denise's feet. So as I was saying there, sorry, when you're applying your hyaluronic filler onto the next section that you're about to treat, always bring the remaining residue over to the side that you've just treated, because remember, you're opening up the channels in your skin, so you want to be taking that opportunity to get the products that you're using deeper into the skin. So as you roll, it's the perfect time to be doing that.
Okay, by the way, I'm probably going to end up rolling like usual because hand is in a habit. So this way? Yeah.
Yeah, well, it doesn't actually matter what way you start. Once you know if you've gone this direction, you then need to come across the opposite and then do an X, yeah.
We're leaving a bit out there.
Mm-hmm.